What's up guys, welcome to Cooking with Keira and Abbie. And today we'll be making macaroni and cheese. So I know that sounds like a pretty simple recipe, but we are not going to make it just from a box. We are going to make it straight from scratch. So let's start off with our ingredients. What you will need will be 16 ounces of assorted macaroni and noodles, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 dash of black pepper, 2 cups of warmed milk, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Okay guys, so you're gonna need to fill up your pot about, half to a third of the way. And remember, pure water is a pure substance of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Ow! You need to bring your water to a boil, so we're gonna have to put that on the stove.
Which I actually know how to use this one.
Turn it on.
Did you even turn it on?
Yes, I did turn it on.
She turned it on.
And now to make it boil faster. Wrong lid. Right lid. You're just gonna put a lid on to really make it boil faster. I guess.
On?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna wait till that bubbles, which means it's boiling.
Which is boiling. Going from a liquid to a gas.
Yeah. Now you need to get a saucepan ready for the roux, aka the macaroni and cheese, the cheese sauce. So yeah, that's what you need.
Yeah. So first off, we're gonna start with warming our milk. Now, mind you, according to this recipe card that I so beautifully made, we're gonna have to start with the butter, but the milk needs to be warmed. So we're gonna do that first, because we're professional.
So what you're gonna need now is to pour 2 cups of milk into that so that we can warm it. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay.
And when you are warming milk, make sure to stir consistently so your milk does not burn, because that's what milk does.
This is the 2nd cup. Oh.
Okay. Good. Yes. Now remember guys, milk is a colloid, meaning it is a homogeneous mixture and the particles do not settle.
No.
Okay, so right off the bat, we are going to need to start stirring the milk so it does not burn.
We have our assorted pasta ready.
And
the water is boiled. So what we're gonna do now is add in the pasta. And then we're going to stir it every so often. Oh, and Keira is warming the milk.
Yes, I am.
So we are multitasking.
Yes.
Should we even be making these at the same time?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, you should be making them at the same time.
If you have a partner. If not, focus on one thing at the time. At a time. Yep.
Okay. So the pasta's ready. So we're gonna go put it in the strainer and then pour it back in the pot when there's no water. And I'm going to pour it in the strainer. Oh. That is wonderful. Oh my gosh, those noodles are humongous. Okay. Now, get the strainer, and then I guess do this. So all the water's out. I don't think there was much water to spare anyways, but that's okay. This is what they look like. That is a lot of pasta.
There's still some pasta in here.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
Now I'm just going to go pour the pasta back in the pot. Now I'm going to pour the pasta. Oh, okay.
Nice.
Back in the pot. We killed some of them. That's fine.
It's okay.
Gone but never forgotten.
I Yeah, I suppose.
Yeah, I guess. Okay. Now I'm gonna stir it a little bit.
Stop burning. No, you will not burn.
Going to stir it a little bit. Then put the lid back on until the roux is done.
Okay. Okay, so now that our milk is almost warm, we're gonna start off with our roux recipe, which first step is to add our 1/4 cup of butter and melt it in this pot. So we're gonna start that. So now that our butter has melted, we are going to add in the flour, the 1/4 cup of flour to add.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, really nice.
Then just stir that.
Yeah, can you go get the doesn't that look yummy?
The recipe card says to cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. So we're gonna do that. Now you want to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt into
Your
the butter
roux.
flour mix.
Yes.
Okay. Then you want to add a dash of black pepper.
Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good.
That is a dash,
That is.
ladies and gents.
Yes. And now, finally, we are going to add in our milk slowly.
All right, can I do this?
Yes, very slowly though, in intervals of little. That's a good interval. We're gonna stir that very thoroughly. No, stop! You're not done with this interval.
Oh, it looks like gravy.
Yummy. Now that our milk has been fully added to our previous flour, butter, salt, pepper mixture, we are going to stir consistently until it starts to bubble and boil. And then after it starts to bubble, we are going to stir in our cheese small amounts at a time. Our roux is kind of boiling-ish, not really, but shh. We're going to add in our cheese at slow and small intervals. God, you can just jump that whole thing. And do not let it burn. That is our #1 concern with this roux. Not to let anything burn, because if it burns, then we
That would be very depressing.
Yes. Approach the end of our 2 cups of cheese. You can go ahead and add some more in. And you will notice the roux begin to thicken up. And that is good, I hope. Because that shows that will stick to the pasta and will be delicious. So
And a roux, as it should be.
yes.
This has been a very long journey.
Yeah, we burned the butter once. I don't know if we showed that or not, but yeah.
I think we did.
We burned the butter once. We almost burned the milk. We almost boiled over the pasta. It's been real,
a lot
guys.
of times.
Yeah, multiple times. So you know what, guys?
It's been real.
It's been a real journey. But guys, now that our roux is just about done, we are going. No, so our cheese is completely melted. It went from a solid to a liquid into the roux. And so this has become a true homogeneous mixture because it is just about the same throughout. But now our macaroni is completely drained and we are about to add our roux.
Okay. We are going to pour the roux into the pasta now. Slowly while stirring.
Slowly add your roux. That's really nice. Okay.
I cannot do this.
Yeah, Abby, you're probably better at adding things.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna switch jobs really quick. So hold on.
Okay, one second.
I just burned. So now we are going to continue adding this roux to our pasta slowly, so we can stir it and really get it to all 16 ounces of our assorted pasta. Which was literally the death of me, but it's fine. Actually, no, this roux was the death of me. It's okay, it's fine.
Wow, that's this is the final product. It smells really good.
Yeah. Okay,
So-
guys, so now we're gonna separate this into bowls and enjoy.
Eat it!
It says it makes for 6 people.
But we're gonna make it for 2.
Yeah. Okay, guys, the moment of truth. It is
Also,
time for our
welcome
taste
to our
test.
mukbang.
Yes, that. You can fight me, but I'll just say it. That's what everybody says.
Okay.
Taste test. It's actually really good.
Yeah.
I'm very proud.
Before we added the cheese, we tasted the roux and it tasted disgusting.
It was salty milk.
Mm-hmm. No, it does not taste like salty milk. It tastes like salty cheese milk. But good.
Good salty cheese milk. Anyway, thanks for watching our video. And have a nice life. Enjoy the food.
Yeah,
Did
have
you
fun
actually
at
get
your
to eat?
party.
Abby will literally be there.
Yeah, I'll be there. Looks like a frog.
Okay. In the word of the Dawn Twins, peace! This is Christmas edition. If you didn't catch on with the whole
Elf and
snowman thing, we bought these outfits especially for this video, so you guys better be thankful.
no, that's Thanksgiving. No, they better be grateful.
Yeah. That's it, by the way. Okay, peace.
I need you to like grab that.
Oh,
Wait, no.
Abby, it's burning. Oh my god.
Wait, what's burning? What's
Everything. It's all burning.
Wait, how do we fix it?
I don't know.
I don't like this. I don't like it.
So much. This is so stressful. We should have just
Tip, do not have 3 things going on the stove at once.
Yeah, this is with only 2 people. This is just detrimental. Okay, but I need.
I need another spoon.
No, our butter burned, Abby. This is terrible.
It's fine. We can just have a little burned butter.
No, because then it won't work. Abby, we made caramel.
That's cool.
Just kidding. No, we didn't. This is just burned butter.
Oh, well, that's
Caramel.
I don't like it.
Okay. Oh God. Okay, Abby.
All right, I got 1/4 cup of flour.
Abby, you're gonna need to get that other 1/4 cup of butter because this is just not working.
Okay, now what do I do with this then?
Just go put it down.
All right,
And then go empty out this pot, just wash it a little bit, and then add another 1/4 of butter.
Okay.
For all you haters out there who hated on me for not knowing how to use my stove, tell me you wouldn't know how to use this. Like, do you see this? Where the numbers at? Where the numbers at? I don't know how to use this thing. Okay. Yeah.
4-hour status. You better be grateful for my hard work and dedication to science and learning. Okay, bye.
What's up, guys? Hope you liked the video, and if you didn't,
Sucks to suck.
make sure to tune in next time when we put magnesium and light bulbs in a pot of boiling water and see what happens. Bye!